हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बॉटम्स अप अकेडमी। चलिए फरवरी का करंट अफेयर स्टार्ट करते हैं। वेल प्रेजेंट द जनरल बजट फॉर द इट्स टाइम, निर्मला सीतारमण announced no tax on income up to how many lakhs? 12.75 lakhs. Central government has increased the limit of FDI in insurance sector from 75% 4% to what extent? 100%. Who has been awarded the most prestigious CA in Public Service Award by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India? Deepak Kumar Kedia. DCI has awarded the Polly Umrigar Award in Women's and Men's category for the year 2024 Smriti Mandhana and Jasprit Bumrah. Which Chinese fashion app has been launched in the Indian market with Reliance Retail after 5 years? CN. Whom did Sarchi Rath Bengal Tigers defeat in Men's Hockey Indian League final played in Rourkela? Hyderabad Tufan. Which Indian wicketkeeper batsman retired from all formats of cricket? Riddhiman Saha. Which former Chief Election Commissioner of India passed away? Naveen Chawla. Narendra Modi attended the Mahakumbhaviksekam ceremony of Sri Sanatan Dharma Alayam Murugan Temple established in which city of Indonesia? Jakarta. Which city of South Africa was the largest Hindu temple of the southern hemisphere inaugurated? Johannesburg. Which state government has announced to open the country's first AI university? Maharashtra. World Wetland Day. The Ministry of Environment has added four new Ramsar wetland in India. These are Sakkar Kotai Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu; Thir Tangal Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu; Udwa Lake, Jharkhand; and Khechio Palri wetland, Sikkim ka. Where was the Central Zoo Authority approved setting up India's first white tiger breeding center? Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Which country has become the first country in the world to declare AI-generated child abuse content a crime? UK. Which Indian American singer has won the Grammy Award in the Best New Age Ambient and Chant Album category for the album Triveni? Chandrika Tandon. India defeated which country to win the ICC Under 19 Women's T20 World Cup title for the second consecutive time? South Africa. R. Pragananda defeated which world champion to win the Tata Steel Chess Masters? T. Gukesh. World Veterans Day was celebrated on 2 February 2025 with which theme? Protecting wetland for our common future. Which airport operating company of India has joined the United Nations General Compact Initiative? GMR Airport. Which airport operating company of India has joined the United Nations Global Compact Initiative? GMR Airport. Segu Gaile of which country became the first black woman to win title of Mrs. World 2025? South Africa. Who has been awarded Australia cricket biggest award? Allen Border Medal? Travis Head. Where was the International Saraswati Festival organized? Pehua, Haryana. Chaman Arora has been awarded as a Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 for his book Ik Aur Aswathama, written in which language? Dogri. Which Indian bank has joined the Global Partnership for Carbon Accounting Financials for Carbon Accounting? Indian Overseas Bank. The Indian Army has partnered with which IIT to build bamboo bunkers? Guwahati. Who took over as the new Prime Minister of Belgium? Bart de Wever, who has been named as the 50th hereditary Imam of Ismaili Muslim community after death of Prince Karim Aga Khan for Prince Rahim Al Husseini. Which country has reduced the working time for 40 hours to 37.5 hours per week? Spain. Who is the most popular global leader with 75% approval rating according to the report released by Morning Consult of Narendra Modi? World Cancer Day was celebrated on with which theme? United by Unique. Which country has been honored with the United Nations for making budget payments on time? India. Where was North India's first green hydrogen plant has been installed? Dabhota, Himachal Pradesh. The World Bank has given loan of 24,024 crore to which state to strengthen healthcare system? Kerala. After America, which country has announced its separation from World Health Organization? Argentina. Rural Development Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has started campaign with which name for awareness awardees of water conservation? Watershed Yatra. Which country has banned the entry of transgender athletes in women's sport? America. Who has been appointed as the captain of Gujarat Giants for Women's Premier League? Ashley Gardner. What name the Indian Army has renamed Fort William, headquarters of Eastern Command in Kolkata? Vijaydur. Which country has banned the International Criminal Court? America. Which two countries has announced the withdrawal of from United Nations Human Rights Council? America and Israel. Food tech company Zomato has announced to change its corporate name to Eternal Limited. Which legendary Brazilian footballer has announced retirement on February to Marcelo? Which Australian all-rounder has announced retirement from one-day international cricket? Marcus Stoinis. RBI has considered nine-member working group under whose chairmanship to comprehensively review trading and settlement time for financial market? Radhasyam Rathore. According to the data released by February, which has become the fourth country to install 100 gigawatt solar capacity after China, America, and China, India. To what period Union Cabinet has approved the extension of term of National Safai Karmchari Commission 31 March 2028? RBI has launched two special internet domains with which name to strengthen cybersecurity in financial sector? BankIn and FinIn. Ministry of Skill Development has launched new initiative Swalambani focused on women entrepreneurship in northeastern state of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram in collaboration with Niti Aayog. US, what is the rank of India in global lead green building ranking released by Green Building Council? Third. South American country has announced to withdraw from China's Belt and Road Initiative, Panama. Scientists of which country has announced the creation of first kangaroo embryo using in vitro fertilization? Australia. Which space company of Pakistan has signed an agreement with China for its Chang'e 8 lunar mission? Suparco. ICC launched anthem song Jeeto Baji Khel Ke of Men's Champions Trophy 2025 with which Pakistani singer Atif Aslam. Which university did the National Sample Survey celebrate 75th? With what theme the World Inter-Religious Harmony Week was celebrated? Uniting for Peace. In Delhi Assembly election results released on 8 February, how many seats did BJP win to gain the power? 48 out of 70. Stanford AI Index release. What is the India's position in the world in terms of development of artificial intelligence? Third. Which bank has expanded the AI-powered holographic digital avatar of Amitabh Bachchan? IDFC First Bank. Which first feature film of director Varsha Bharat has won the award for Rotterdam International Film Festival 2025? Bad Girl. Which first president of Namibia died? Sam Nujoma. With which theme World Book Fair 2025 organized in New Delhi, Republic at 75? Which state has launched the Har Khet Swasth Khet campaign to improve soil health and ensure sustainable agriculture practice? Haryana. Who has been awarded the Grand Medal for Aviation Excellence by the Aero Club of France? Tom Cruise. Who has become the second oldest Indian cricketer to make ODI debut after Farooq Engineer? Varun Chakravarti, 33 years, 164 days. Who has become the second oldest Indian cricketer to make ODI debut after Farooq Engineer? Fa- Varun Chakravarti. Who has won women's singles title of Mumbai Open 2025 WTA 125 series? Jill Bell and TH Man. Which former Sri Lankan captain retired after 100 test match against Australia? Dimuth Karunaratne. Who won the Chennai Open ATP Challenger singles title? Kirian Jacket, France के. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited had given a new name to flagship training aircraft Hindustan Jet Trainer after making several technical changes to yes. Indian Army and the Indian Air Force has successfully conducted joint military exercise under what name? Winged Radar. India has set up dedicated desk to promote trade and investment with European Free Trade Association, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland, and Liechtenstein. India has set up a dedicated desk to promote trade with and investment with European Free Trade Association. The countries included in the EFTA are Switzerland, Norway, Iceland, and Liechtenstein. Reliance Consumer has launched sports drink spinner in collaboration with legendary cricketer Mutaiya Muralidharan. Researchers from which country have been uncovered the brain mechanism involved in recognizing the emotional state of others, which could have potential implications in treating conditions such as autism? Israel. Who launched the nationwide Jan Aushadhi campaign फॉर द एलिमिनेशन ऑफ लिम्फेटिक फेलियासिस? जगत प्रकाश नड्डा, जो कि यूनियन मिनिस्टर हैं आपके हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर के. साइंटिस्ट ऑफ विच IIT हैज डिस्कवर्ड द डिफेंस सिस्टम ऑफ सुपरबग विच विल लीड टू न्यू ट्रीटमेंट? रुड़की. 36 नेशनल टाइटल एंड द 10th मेंस स्नूकर चैंपियनशिप किसने स्टार्ट किया है, जीता है? पंकज अडवाणी ने. वाइस प्रेसिडेंट जगजीत धनखड़ रिलीज द बुक आई एम कंपाइल्ड बाय विच चेयरमैन ऑफ द हिंदुजा ग्रुप? गोपीचंद P. Hinduja. With what theme was International Epilepsy Day celebrated? My Epilepsy Journey. Where was Janjati Sanskriti Samagam 2025 organized? Prayagraj. Where was BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 organized? Gandhi Nagar. Under whose chairmanship the Summit for Action on Artificial Intelligence 2025 held in Paris, Narendra Modi and Emmanuel Macron. According to the report Transparency International released, India is ranked on what position among the 180 countries in the Corruption Perception Index? 96th. Indian Olympic Association has entrusted the hosting 39th National Games to be held in Meghalaya. THDC has started commercial operation of 660 megawatt unit of Khurja Super Thermal Power Plant located in which city of Uttar Pradesh? Bulandshahr. India's first indigenous automated biomedical waste treatment plant named Syzenum has been installed in which aims? New Delhi. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla expanded translation service of parliament to how many new languages? In addition to earlier 10 languages, 6 जो कि हैं बोडो, डोंगरी, मैथिली, मैनपुरी, उर्दू और संस्कृत. What is the rank of India among the 139 countries in the World Bank's Logistic Performance Index 2023? 38. Who won the bronze award at the Global Best M Government Award 2025 during the World Government Summit? India. The International Olympic Committee has announced where to hold the first Olympic e-sports games, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia के अंदर. PETA India has unveiled Asia's first life-size animatronic elephant in Bangalore under what name? Ellie. Tamil Nadu's major festival Thai Pasum 2025 was celebrated, which is dedicated to which deity? Murugan. US President Donald Trump has imposed what percentage of import duty on steel and aluminum imported into the US? 25%. Who became the first women cricketer to be banned by ICC on corruption charges? सोहेली अख्तर जो कि बांग्लादेश की हैं. America's top semiconductor company Lam Research has announced investment of 10,000 crore in which state? Karnataka. RBI has infused 2.5 lakh crore to provide adequate liquidity in the economy. Who? What was the Rajasthan government named as the new names of two British era sites Ajmer, Foy Sagar Lake and King Edward Memorial respectively? Varun Sagar and Maharshi Dayanand Rest House. Who has been elected by the Parliament of Greece as the new president of the country? Konstantin Tassolas. Which famous Hindustani classical singer died in Mumbai? Pandit Prabhakar Karikar. Which gift did Prime Minister Narendra Modi present to the French President Emmanuel Macron during two-day visit to France? Dogra artwork of Chhattisgarh. In which city of France Narendra Modi and Macron jointly inaugurated Indian consulate? Marseilles. ISRO has collaborated with whom to develop indigenous semiconductor chip for the space application? IIT Madras. America has changed the name of Gulf of America with what name? Gulf of America. ICC has launched campaign in Ahmedabad to promote organ donation awareness by what name? Donate organs, save lives. ICC has appointed whom as the brand ambassador of Champions Trophy 2025? शिखर धवन इंडिया से, सरफराज अहमद पाकिस्तान से, शेन वॉटसन ऑस्ट्रेलिया से और टीम सऊदी न्यूजीलैंड से. टाटा एल्क्सी has signed the agreement with whom to develop indigenous UAV technology? Garuda Aerospace. Which chief priest of Ram Temple in Ayodhya passed away? Acharya Satyendra Das. With what theme National Productivity Day was celebrated on 12 February? From ideas to impact, protecting intellectual property from competitive startups. Which two countries did Prime Minister Modi visit from 10 to 13 February? France and America. 12th World Government Summit was held in Dubai for 11 to 13 February on the theme of shaping future governments. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk gifted what to Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his meeting in Washington? Hexagonal ceramic heat shield tile. Central government has imposed president rule under 356 in which state due to failure of governance? Manipur. Who has been appointed by the Institute of Chartered Accountants as 73rd president? Charanjot Singh Nanda. Which government has launched the Nodi Bandhan scheme in the budget 2025 to promote river development and prevent erosion along Ganga Padma? West Bengal. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman introduced Income Tax Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha. This bill will replace the Income Tax Act of 1961. Which famous folk singer of Hallaki Vokaliga community of Karnataka passed away on 13 February? Sukari Bomagowda. Who has been provided jet category security by the central government? Dalai Lama. In which state has the central government imposed president rule? Manipur. Who has been appointed as the new captain of Royal Challengers Bangalore? Rajat Patidar. Which country launched Blue Visa system for individuals contributed to environmental sustainability? UAE. National Women's Day was celebrated on honor of birth anniversary of which freedom fighter, poet, and social reformer Sarojini Naidu. Where was annual conference of International Institute of Administrative Sciences organized for the first time in India? New Delhi. Where was Asia's largest air show and defense expo 15th Aero India 2025 organized? Bengaluru. Where did President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated International Women's Conference organized by the Art of Living Bangalore? Who has was awarded Forward Faster Sustainability Award 2025 for water resilience NTPC? Who is world's highest paid athlete with earning of $260 million according to Sportico? Cristiano Ronaldo. Who topped the medal tally at the 38th National Games 2025 in Uttarakhand Services Sports Control Board? Which state government launched the G Shuffle scheme to empower disadvantaged families? Gujarat. Which state launched India's first global capability center? Policy 2025 Madhya Pradesh. Which Bangalore-based startup has become the first Indian private company to launch commercial satellite constellation called Firefly with SpaceX rocket Pixel? Under what name the 13th Indian Maldives joint military exercise was conducted in Mafila Fusi, Maldives, Equarian? Which country has approved the construction of first deep water space station project in South China? China. Central government has announced to release commemorative coin of 100 to 100th birth anniversary of which great playback singer Muhammad Rafi? Under what name did the Indian Army along with Indian Coast Guard and Marine Police conduct military exercise in Bet Dwarka, Gujarat? Jal Thal Raksha 2025. Which country defeated China to win the mixed team championship title of the Badminton Asia Championship for the first time? Indonesia. Which space agency Euclid Space Telescope has discovered Einstein ring around the galaxy NGC 6505 European Space Agency? Which zoo India's first biobank and animal museum was established in Padmanaju Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, Darjeeling? Which former Paralympian player with the physical disability has been approved by the European Space Agency to go as an astronaut for the first time? John McFall. Whose book The New Icon Savarkar and the Facts was launched on 18 February? Arun Sori. Which business house has India has is at the top in Asia? Ambani. Which space agency developed the world's largest vertical planetary mixer for solid propellant? ISRO. What name did Elon Musk company launch the world's smartest AI chatbot? Grok 3. Which name has Microsoft launched a multimodal AI that is capable of understanding both images and language in digital and physical environments? Magma. Where was the statue of famous Tamil poet and philosopher Tiruvalluvar unveiled? Philippines. Who assumed the office of 26th Chief Election Commissioner? Ganesh Kumar. Which state presented first green budget with special emphasis on climate change, adaptation, forest, environment, and biodiversity? Rajasthan. According to the data released by which state has the highest population of vultures in India? Madhya Pradesh. In which state has the harvest festival Ali Ai Ligang celebrated? Assam. Where did Google open its largest office campus? Anant in India, Bengaluru. Union Minister Sonowal inaugurated the inland waterways terminal in which river? Brahmaputra. Which state's assembly will be the first assembly in India to equipped with translator facilities? Uttar Pradesh. Who has launched AI powered platform Nugget for businesses? Zomato. Which state was the budget for financial year 25-26 presented digitally for the first time through the National E-Vidhan application? Gujarat. What is SBI's forecast for India's GDP growth rate for the financial year 24-25? 6.3%. Which giant IT company released world's first quantum chip Mazurana? Microsoft. Which country has joined OPEC plus? Brazil. Who has become the fastest bowler to take 200 wickets for India? Mohammad Sami. Who has taken over the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Kas Patel. Which country has won the presidency of Bay of Bengal Initiative Intergovernmental Organization at 13th Government Council meeting in Male, India? Which Assamese biologist has been included in Times Women's Year of Purchase list for saving one of world's most endangered cranes? Purnima Devi Barban. Which state approved the Land Law Amendment Bill to regulate land transaction? Uttarakhand. Where was Saras Ajivika Mela 2025 inaugurated? Noida के अंदर. Association of Mutual Funds in India has been launched three initiatives under what name to enhance financial inclusion and investor awareness? Small SIP, Tarun Yojana and Mitra. Which state's forest projects has been awarded Scotch Award? Nagaland. Who has been appointed as the principal secretary to Prime Minister? Satyanta Das, who has become the second fastest player to score 11,000 runs ODI runs. Rohit Sharma, who won the 14th Asian Snooker Championship. Pankaj Advani. The book Life on Mars collected stories written by whom was released on 22 February. Namita Gokhale. Which state has given the status of state theme this time in 38th Surajkund International Craft Fair held in Faridabad, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. Who where was the joint military exercise Cyclone 2025 held between India and Egypt? Rajasthan. Who has become the new Chancellor of Germany? Friedrich Merz. Which app has been launched by RBI to provide access to economic and financial data? RBI data. Which of the institution was host of third Kasi Tamil Sangam in Varanasi from 15 से 24 फरवरी Varanasi Hindu University? Where was Adi Madhosam, a grand festival celebrating rich tribal heritage of India, organized? New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of SBI Life Insurance? Dorababu Daparthi. Under whose chairmanship the Indian Olympic Association constituted five-member ad hoc committee? Madhukant Pathak. How much has RBI increased the limit on small loans for urban cooperative banks? 3 crore. Indian scientists have achieved a historic success by creating first detailed geological map of south pole of moon by using data of which of Chandrayaan? Chandrayaan 3. Who has made the record of scoring fastest 14 run in ODI international cricket? Virat Kohli. Which state Jhumwar Binandini program has been organized? Assam. Where was the first conference of women peacekeepers held? New Delhi. Where was the world's largest Jhumar dance organized, registered in the Guinness World Record? Guwahati. Sixth joint military exercise between India and Japan was held at Mount Fuji, Japan on name है इसका धर्म गार्जियन. Where was the 8th Invest Madhya Pradesh Summit was organized? Bhopal. With which the institute has Indian Railways launched India's first Hyperloop test track? IIT Madras. Which public sector company has received ISO this certification from British Indian Standard Institutions? Bank of Baroda. Which Kannada writer short story collection Heart Lamp has been nominated for the International Booker Prize? Banu Mustaq. Which country launched Green Transition Alliance India to advance sustainable energy solutions in partnership in India, Denmark? According to the Hurun India report released, which company is paying the highest direct tax in India? Reliance Industries. Who is managed the new chairman of the Ratan Tata Endowment Foundation? N. Chandrasekharan. NASA has sent an spacecraft by what name to the detect and map water on the moon? Lunar Trailblazer. Who has been honored with the National Dhanvantari Ayurvedic Award by Ministry of Ayush? Tara Chand Sharma, Maya Ram Muniyal, and Samir Goswami Jamadagni. Which state government has recognized Batholism as an option for religion of official document? Assam. Where is the coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach organized? West Bengal. Who tops the global breast cancer rate as per report released by New Zealand? Tops the global breast cancer rate? New Zealand. Which airport of Kolkata has second Udan Yatri Cafe opened? Chennai. Where was the India Calling Conference of 25 organized? Mumbai. India's which first space-based solar mission took the first picture of the solar flare kernel, which is significant breakthrough in the solar physics research? Aditya L1. India's which first space-based solar mission took the first picture of solar flare kernel, which is a significant breakthrough in solar physics research? Under what name did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh release the first edition of biannual Hindi magazine of the Ministry of Defense, Sasakt Bharat? The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology launched portal by which name to ease the work related to Aadhaar Good Governance portal? Who launched One Nation One Port to standardize and streamline operation at major ports of India? Sarbanand Sonowal. Which president of European Commission made 2-day visit to India? Ursula von der Leyen. Which South African oldest test cricketer died at the age of 98? Ron Draper. Which state police has filed the first EFIR through email? Jammu and Kashmir. With what theme was National Science Day celebrated? Empowering Indian youth for global leadership in science and innovation. Who took charge as 11th chairman of Capital Market Regulator Securities SEBI? Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Who took charge as the 43rd president of Uruguay? Yamun, Yamunda Yumundu Orsi.